everyone, thanks for watching. So in today's video, it's going to be something I've never done before. I'm going to be opening up two different Boxycharms. I don't know what is what because the boxes are the same size, but I have the Boxycharm Premium for September and then Boxyluxe. So we'll open both today, kind of see what one I think is the most worth it, and I would love to hear your opinions as well. Before we get started though, guys, I wanted to let you know that the 10K giveaway is ending, I believe, tomorrow. I'll leave it on the screen and down below. I'm hoping to film this and post it in the same night. So if you guys have not yet entered, it's a big giveaway. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your love and support. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. I'll link that at the end of this video. And before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And quick disclaimer, you guys, my appearance is not the best. I'm seriously in my pajamas. I just like threw on some red lipstick and brushed my hair a little bit, put on a headband. I'm like, yeah, I'm good to film. And it is really dark. It is late. I don't know what happened. This was like the laziest Sunday of my life. But yeah, let's get back to Boxycharm. So I will link them down below. Boxycharm Premium is monthly and costs $35 a month, and then the Boxyluxe is seasonal and costs around $50. And let's just start with whatever box this is. So this is Boxycharm Premium. I can tell because it says right there. So the theme for September for all the boxes is Glam Vibes Only. And I have variation 4 for my Boxyluxe. And by the way, I will leave the dimensions and the weight of my boxes if you guys are waiting on yours and want to know for box twins, if we have the same like weight and all of that. I'll leave that on the screen and down in the description box. And with Boxy Premium, you're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-size items. So, I don't think this is the variation I wanted, but let's get started. So, first thing is an ice roller. I actually have one of these and I never use it, but I should. This is a good reminder. This is by Kitsch and it's for your overworked / sensitive skin. So these I believe you keep in the fridge, or they recommend that at least, because then that could help with like depuffing and stuff. So on here they talk about how to use it and all that, but I feel like beauty tools shouldn't be in Boxycharm. Maybe in like Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, I mean, because I know that can have some lifestyle items, but whatever. I know most people don't have these. They are great. I'm just really bad at remembering. Mine's in my fridge and I seriously can't remember the last time I grabbed it. This is $18. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. And they recommend using it daily for the best results. So I'll probably put this like in a future giveaway or pass it on somehow. The next item I'm not really excited about either. This is by Frank Body, and this is a coconut coffee scrub. So I'm just not really a fan of coffee scrubs. I prefer a sugar body scrub. But I bet this smells great. I love the smell of coffee and I love the smell of coconuts. So this coffee scrub is $18.95. And it's a natural vegan body scrub to give you a vacation glowy skin all year round. So I do like exfoliating like my legs, especially before I shave and stuff like that. So maybe I'll use this, but I just have so many scrubs already and I don't use them every day, maybe like once a week. Oh, I see something that looks cool. I think this is a palette. And by the way, normally in my Boxycharm videos, I will like try on the items. We're not doing that today. I figured since I'm doing these boxes together, I'll do like a get ready with me and try on the Boxycharm items because I haven't done a get ready with me video in a while. So yeah, let me know if that sounds exciting to you, but that's what I plan on doing unless you guys don't want it. I've never heard of this brand though. It's called Eloise and the palette's called The Queen and it says a queen lies in all of us. I love the packaging. So it says this has 20 pigment palettes and 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, so there is a mirror. And the pan size is a little bit small, but that's okay because I like seriously don't pan eyeshadow ever, and we get more shades, so that looks really pretty. Got a lot of like purples and blue and like jewel tones. Awesome. Let's just swatch a couple of them. I was about to say I'm not going to swatch, but I can't help it. This like blue in the corner I just had to touch. What other ones do I just have to get my fingers in like right now? Ooh. So there are a few of the shades. So yeah, I'm excited to play with this. So I don't know if we'll be getting a palette in Boxyluxe as well, but maybe I'll try and incorporate both if we do, but we'll see. I won't get ahead of myself. I'm already thinking of a get ready with me video. So this palette's $46, and yeah, I'm not gonna read the description of everything since we're opening a lot of stuff today. Let's move on to the next item. And this is skincare by Emma Hardy, Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. This is supposed to increase moisture levels, increase elasticity, balance the skin, and provide antioxidant protection. So it's a lightweight, dry, nourishing facial oil complex. $55, wow. So I already have several facial oils open right now, so I'm not gonna open this. I'm not sure if I'll keep this or not. I've tried a moisturizer, or not moisturizer, what am I talking about? A cleanser by them, and I did like it, so if you guys tried this, let me know what you think. Is this, oh, I think this is what I picked because I didn't want any of the options or they were sold out already when customization opened. This is by Ola Henriksen, the Fat Glow Facial. It instantly exfoliates, illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch soap. So it's a facial mask? Oh yeah, you just leave this on for 15 minutes. I was thinking it was like a moisturizer or something like that. And this is what it looks like. And this is $50, wow. So like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results, and they're a little plumper. Okay, so I do like alpha hydroxy acids a lot. I'll have to look into this more and try and find a way to incorporate it in my skincare routine. I've gotten so much new stuff. But next up we have something by Marc Jacobs. This is Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer and Raspberry Beret. And I always say liqueur instead of lacquer, but I didn't do it this time, you guys. Now I have a Marc Jacobs lip oil that Nikki sent me and I absolutely love it. Ooh, wow, this is purple. This is $29. I normally wouldn't wear shades like this, but I want to swatch it. I don't think I have this color. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, it's pigmented, and look, that is very glossy. So, yeah, I'm excited to try this out actually. I think this would look really good with the palette we got. And that was everything for the premium. Honestly, the things I'm the most excited about are like the makeup items, the two makeup items we got, which is the Marc Jacobs Lippy and the palette. The rest is just kind of like meh to me. Let's make some room for opening Boxyluxe. I always love Boxyluxe. It's my favorite box generally out of all the Boxycharm subscriptions. Open it up. What it looks like, this one seems a little bit heavier, which makes sense. We're supposed to get more items. I can't remember the exact, but well, the card's bigger, and I have variation number 75. Ooh. So first thing, this is by Tan Luxe, the Gradual. This is an illuminating gradual tan lotion. These types of items I always want to use, but I never actually use them because I'm afraid of being streaky and orange because I had that experience forever ago. I seriously never use sunless tanners, but someone who stays out of the sun and wears SPF every day and is as fair as I am should try them out. So I will definitely give this a shot. And I like how it says Gradual tan lotion. This is $33. Yeah, it's a lightweight body moisturizer with a gradual glow. It's an oil lotion hybrid. It's a cult favorite. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It says it delivers natural buildable color in just 1 hour. Maybe I'll just do it on my legs or something. I don't really leave the house much anyways, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna make myself do it. Since it's a lotion, I feel like it's less scary than those tanning drops, which I think I have from the same company and I never use. I leave it in my bathroom hoping I will grab it and apply it, but I don't. Next up we have something by Biro New York. This is their tomato serum. So this sounds weird, but I actually received their toner and it has Boxycharm, like the Bitter Essence toner or something like that, and I really like it. I used it today. Tomato serum. It's a highly concentrated treatment serum. This hydrating formula visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of skin texture for a smooth, soft, and clarified complexion. I'll try it. I know that toner was $90 or something crazy. Let's see how much this is. This right here they say is $150? What? This might be the most expensive serum I've ever used. $150. What? So what does tomato do? It says it's gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin to brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. I hope it does all that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and smell it. Like, I can't even like really think about what bananas, what am I'm out of my mind, you guys. I need some sleep. Tomatoes smell like. I do know what bananas smell like. That's like the one thing I ate today. That's probably why it came out of my mouth. So it's like a dropper. Oh yeah, you press down. Oop. I shouldn't be wasting this $150 serum, but I don't think it smells like tomato. I'll put it in the hand. But one of the little drops seems to be plenty. So yeah, I'll have to keep you guys updated on that. $150? What? Ooh, we have some of my Fenty here. This is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. I've never tried, like the only highlighter I ever got was actually in like the Fenty Boxycharm box. That was a premium box, right? And it was like really gold. It was something, what was the name of it? I forget, Trophy Wife maybe? And that was just like too gold. Like it just didn't work for my skin. Ooh, these look like they could work. These are super pretty. Those look really pretty. Ooh, I'm excited. Hopefully you guys can see it's right here. Awesome. You guys, I have a feeling I'm gonna like the Boxyluxe better. So this is $36. It has metallic edge, biddable, color rich luminizers. Yes, I'm excited to try these out. I'm so excited, you guys. I've heard such good things. Oh my god, and I got it in one of the shades that I've heard people rave about. This is by Persona, and it's their lip gloss in Honey. I know some people love their lip glosses, like for sure Kelly Gooch does. I feel like I always like know her recommendations and like say them in videos, but I do watch her. She posts all the time. She's great and cruelty free too. Oh my god. I didn't even show you. So this is like a peachy nude shade. I'm so excited, you guys. I already like this box more. Probably because it's more like a makeup. Well, I guess not really, but this is $16. What's that? Yeah, it smells like cake or something. Oh man, this is gonna be like a perfect new gloss. It's kind of weird because it's on my knuckles there, but I've just heard such good things about this formula. How it's like stays on, it's not sticky. I am so happy. I can't believe it's in a shade that I've heard about too. Like sometimes we get like weird shades in boxes, you know? It looks like we have a palette here by Hip Dot. I don't think I've ever tried anything by Hip Dot, but I've heard of them because like isn't Kesha's like makeup line from Hip Dot? I haven't heard about that since it released, by the way, in the SpongeBob collection. But this is the Hip Dot Xeon Pressed Pigment Palette. Just one look at Utah's sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Connect with these sweeping canyons through dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Xeon. Oh, this is pretty. Like, I'm sure I have all these shades already, but I've never tried their formula, so I am excited. There's a mirror if you guys didn't notice. Okay, just cleaned off my hand. It's dry. Let's do a couple swatches. I always just want to swatch shimmers. This one definitely has more mattes than shimmers. There's like only 4 shimmers in here, and those are what I want to swatch. I prefer shimmers over mattes. What do you guys? Are you more matte or shimmer? Or are you like an equal mix? But there are 3 of the shades. So yeah, I can't wait to try. I kind of wish I didn't like do my makeup or had more time to try all this on today's video, but again, I'll do that get ready with me. Next up, oh, we have, I believe this is a brush set by Pure Cosmetics, and like a little travel case. It's pink. Did I tell you guys how much the Hip Dot palette is? It's $30, if I didn't. Pure the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set has retail value of $49. I desperately need to clean my brushes. Like, it's been a while. I was really good about it for months, but so I'm glad I have some more. How cute. The brushes themselves are pink and white. Like they have a pink handle, or ferrule, is that what they call it? They feel nice. I've tried a couple of brushes from Pure. I got like in a mystery bag before. One was like an eye shader brush, which I feel like generally those are always good. I don't know if I've tried, and a contour brush. And that I liked too. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out, and I like the case. It's cute. Now the next two things I already have and I'm not that excited about. One is like so overpriced. I don't know why, I just never got into like 111 Skin. So these masks are like so much money, like $23 each or $32 each. The Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and there's 5 in here. Let's see the ridiculous price. $135 for 5 sheet masks. Like this does like make my face feel nice, but the fragrance is so strong, and I'm not one of those people that's really sensitive to fragrance, but this like is like putting perfume on your face. So I'll probably pass these on, but yeah, they work fine, I guess, you know, but $135. I feel like all of 111 Skin's items are like that. Do you guys like their stuff? I always end up passing it on. So it's an ultimate pre-event mask. Who's going to events? This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Wow, the value is going to be super high for this box because we got $150 serum and then those masks. I'll leave the final values on the screen, by the way, because I don't have my calculator by me, aka my phone. Maybe I do, but the last thing we have here, this is by Ahava. I just got like a smaller size of this. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And this is a huge hand cream. I do like hand creams, and I really like this formula as well. This is $36. So yeah, I think it's a good time of year to give a hand cream, but it doesn't like excite me. The things that do excite me, so that was the last item. So what am I the most excited about? I am so thrilled about this Persona lip gloss. I can't wait to start using it. I like want to put it on my lips now, but I put on a red lipstick, which is hopefully is not on my teeth. No, but I think I do have some mascara on my face. Oh well. The Fenty highlighter, and the palette looks pretty. And I guess I'm curious about this $150 face serum, but yeah, these I'm the most excited about. The brushes too. I think for sure that Boxyluxe is better than Boxycharm Premium. I feel like Boxycharm Premium, I'm always kind of like, you know, it's okay, but I mean, we did get some good things, but others are just meh. But that's boxes for you, you know. Can't like everything. That would be great if you could, but overall I feel like I did get my money's worth. So you guys have to let me know what you think of my boxes, and if you got yours, let me know what you got. Are we box twins? If not, what did you get? And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing these boxes with me. Let me know if you like when I do multiple boxes at once. I've had a lot of fun doing them in the past, like a few weeks I did some, like when I did 10 boxes of all affordable, like under $20 subscriptions. So I can link that above and down below if you guys missed that one. But I would love your feedback, and I hope you are excited about a future Get Ready with me using these products so we can put them to the test. And yeah, that's it today. And I just want to take a moment though to say thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. I love you guys. If you want to learn about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks. One of them for tier 2 is we do bi-weekly live streams. It's really great. We get to know each other better, chit chat, and there's always little giveaways involved in there as well. So if you can join, I would absolutely love that. I would love to get to know you better. But if you can't, I totally understand. Times are hard. Just by being here and watching is so supportive, and I appreciate you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you so much. I hope you are safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.